This is the violin 1 part of the Bach Concerto for 2 violins in D minor, second movement. I'm going to do both violin parts in separate videos. This is primarily a support video for my local private students. I thought I might as well share with everyone because I don't see anything like this online right now. But I do have plans to do a full-blown tutorial on the second movement and the third movement of this concerto, teaching both violin parts. They're incredibly beautiful and awesome pieces of music, and you need to know them. So in the kit, which won't be free, I will be giving sheet music with my personal fingerings and bowings in it. And the fingerings and bowings are tempered a little bit so that they're accessible by a high intermediate student. They won't be as crazy as I could have gotten, but they won't be baby fingerings either. They'll be very sophisticated. It will use a little second position, a little third position, and a little first position. I am going to use a metronome on this video. I know it's very unmusical to do that, but it's worth the trade-off in the clarity that it provides to you and to me, because eventually I'd like to combine the first violin and the second violin part, and playing with the metronome will allow us to do that. Plus, it helps students learn some of the tricky counting in this movement, and it helps students to learn some of the tricky ornament placements that happen. They're really odd in this second movement. So I'm going to do it at 8th note equals 88, and let's get started. 1, 2, 3. Ready, set, go.